In this video, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know about the S3XY Dash once you have it installed. Before you start customizing anything, make sure the S3XY Dash is connected to the commander. When you power on the dash, you may see a pop-up saying that a commander is required. Alternatively, a small commander icon with an exclamation mark may appear in the left corner of the screen. Open the dash settings, go to S3XY Devices and press Add Device to look for available commander units. Once the search is complete, select your commander and tap Connect. The pairing process should take only a few seconds. To add an action or stat, press and hold the screen. This will allow you to add, remove, or edit the widgets on that page. If there is an empty slot, tap the plus sign to open a menu with 3 sections. The first section is Stats, where you can display real-time vehicle data such as battery temperature, battery degradation, total discharge, remaining capacity, motor temperature, and more. The second section is Actions, where you will find controls such as regen adjustment, seat positioning, battery preheating, and many others. To execute an action, you can tap it on the display or navigate to it by flicking the right scroll wheel and then push it to the right. When the action is executed, a line will indicate its current state. The third and final section is Special Widgets. This is where you will find CarPlay and Android Auto widgets, different speed gauges, navigation and media widgets, and combined widgets. You can configure different widget sizes as long as there is enough space on the screen. For example, Apple CarPlay can be scaled from a 2x2 layout all the way to a full-screen 6x2 format. A vehicle stat, such as battery temperature, can be displayed as 1x1 square, a 1x2 vertical bar, or a 2x1 horizontal bar. By the way, if you're wondering how to set this light theme and reduce unwanted reflections on the display during daytime driving, it's super simple. To enable it, tap the gear icon on the left side, go to Controls, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Light. You can also customize the page layouts by pressing and holding the screen and selecting Page Edit on the left side of the display. From there, you can add, duplicate or remove pages, choose their position, and select which stats appeared on the left and right. You can switch between pages either by swiping on the display or by flicking the right scroll wheel button. However, we've also added an automation that jumps to a specific page based on certain conditions. To set it up, go to Page Edit, then open the Automation section. From there, select the page number you want the dash to jump to and then adjust the conditions, such as drive state, acceleration, charging status, or autopilot on/off. This means that when you shift into D, for example, the screen will automatically switch to the page layout you selected for drive mode. As you know, the S3XY Dash comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. To pair your S3XY Dash with CarPlay, first open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Look for a device named S3XY Dash with a number next to it and a bar icon in front of it. Select the device and a pairing request will appear on the next page. Tap Pair and approve all necessary permissions. Once the process is complete, a Connect to CarPlay pop-up will appear. Tap Connect and wait for the pairing to finish. The process is similar for Android Auto. If you want to change the audio output from the dash to your Tesla speakers, go to the settings, then Controls. There you'll find 2 options, Phone and Dash. If you select Phone and your device is connected to the car, the audio will play through the Tesla speakers instead of your phone. This is great if you want to listen to music and receive phone calls, but for voice notification and other such chimes, we would go for the dash speakers.
Police reported ahead. Put both hands on the wheel and pay special attention.
When a new update is released, you can download it directly through the dash itself from the update page inside the settings. Just make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection before starting. With the upcoming 6.5 update, you'll also be able to update your unit through the S3XY app. However, to enable this functionality, you'll first need to install version 6.5 directly through the dash. After that, connect the S3XY app and the S3XY Dash as shown on the screen. Once the connection is complete, all future updates will also appear on the app's homepage for you to install. At the moment, the phone and the dash cannot be used simultaneously because the commander cannot maintain 2 connections at the same time. We are actively working on functionality that will allow the dash and the S3XY app to operate together, but for now, stats and functions can only be monitored through one device at a time. If you want to learn about the rest of our products and how they can improve your Tesla, check the other videos on our YouTube channel.